friends, it's me, Celine again, and today we're at Elements. That's my dad over here. He does not want to be recorded. This is what I found, and I do not even know what's it called. Here, it's a bunch of plants. Don't know what's this. Oh, bird's feather. Cute. Do you guys know what these plants are named? Well, I don't, but I only know 3 things: dirt, grass, and pipes. That's all I know. And also chopped down bamboo. That one. And then if you ever see these, you can post it on your channel. And then I will see it. And I also found some wood. It's like, looks like the animal footprints. This can be used for digging. Like, I need to dig here, dig there, dig everywhere. This is still my favorite one though. Found this by the nature area. Don't ever go down, like hold this and go down, because it has a tight grip. So don't ever do it. You only can go upwards, but not downwards. If downwards, hold another hand and just, yes, that's how you do it. So never do it. It will hurt. If you want to hurt yourself, don't get judged. Do not do it. Ooh, I see flowers there. Oh no, where is it? Oh, there. There's the flowers. I'll go closer. So, let's see. Here are the little flowers. Okay, you can go up and down with it. Just be careful of the bees. This one is the exact same flower. And then here is the leaves. Basically cabbage. There's grass over there. Oh, there are trees. Here. Here's bushes, I think. They're trees. And then now, oh, it's sunny. Just cover. Turn the brightness off right now. Now it's better. Here is this is bamboo. It just trapped me. Ooh, I found a flower. Huge. This is called this flew like a butterfly. Chop down wood and you might stab yourself. Here is bamboo, very interrupted. This part is not interrupted at all. Here. Now, all of them are interrupted. Maybe this one is still the best one. Like, cool. Then at the back, I found this. Before this video started, I went exploring. Careful of these, like, oh, there. Careful not to step. The guards may be angry. Hey guys, so here are some leaves. Ooh, they were just watered. Nice. So, what's that? It's just a leaf. Here I am, elements. Oh, it's so cold. I better go back. You want to see this thing? That means there might be a secret hole under. But mostly it will be screwed. Using a screwdriver. Wow! That I just found. Cool. You can go back with your friends. Green grass, green grass. Concentrate on not stepping out. Especially the newborn one. What are these? Cool. Somebody went on a nature trail, huh? Cool. Now I can use this stick, my field. Oh, it's movable. Oh my. I didn't know sticks could carry sticks. Oh, sorry. Sorry, plant. I didn't mean to disturb you. Oh, no, there are greens. Sorry for touching you. I'm sorry for touching you. So plant. So now, this is a newborn tree. It's about to grow, or it's either chopped down. Let me look. Oh, it's newborn. Cool. This is obviously torn down. This one is about to grow, so it's about to fill in and grow and fill in and grow. And this one is just ripped off, basically, yes. And then these, this is weird. Yeet. And then this, oop, just got some hair on my stick. Yeet. Okay, so. Ooh. Ah! Sorry. Here's a book. You hear some disgusting old munching crunches. And then what's this? Oh, it's still growing, not bad. I'm gonna take my pics like this, or just in the middle so you can't see it. That's how I take my pics. I feel like I'm having a wand. Reminding me of Harry Potter. Harry Potter. So now, going there. Here is the place where the bamboo grows again. Well, I do not know why there are leaves on it. Maybe it will grow to be bushes. I'm pretending to be serious. Okay, done with the nature trail. Kind of want to keep the stick though. Can I keep the stick? Really?
I found some apps can edit the video.
Ooh, really?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the elements. Well, we need to go there first, so I'll see when I go there. Green grass. Trees. I don't know. Bushes. Pigeon! I have something to show you. Pigeon. Abracadabra! No, it didn't work. Never mind. Really, Abracadabra the bird. poisoned dead red leaves. Or is it flowers? I cannot see, thank you. 100% plants. Yes, plants. Can I touch one? Poke. You laugh. Ooh, these has spikes. Oh. Hey, now we're at elements. Let's get, ow! Bad. What's this? Oh my! Eddie! I found a hanger.
No, it's all upstairs.
Oh.
Done.
Sucks to suck. Somebody's getting a free towel. Okay, so here's the elements. Elements. Yunfeng. I do not know what they're doing there. What? So windy. Okay. Here's the ice skating place, guys. So, here, thank you for opening the door for me. Here's the ice skating area where I really love to ice skate. Sadly, it's only for staff. How rude! Staff training only. Ah, so rude. All the teachers can train except the students. I want to be a teacher so I can train. Ooh, nice hair you got there. Pink hair. Now we're at Fairwood, where we could obviously eat like a human dancing. Here, Fairwood. And here is Kigfadung. Here. And here's the arch. The arch. 海选门. Okay. Hello. Here. Please wear a face mask. Red leaves. What's this? Smells fake to me. This is the lift. Third floor is the highest. B1 is the second lowest. B2 is lowest. So, hi. Hi. Right. Good job. This one means it can go up. If it's facing downwards, that means it can go down. No, guys. So up. It's third floor. Third floor is the highest. Your elements, first floor. Elements, ground floor. Car park B1F. Car park B2F. Floor, I mean. Here, third floor doesn't, cross just doesn't exist. Here's first floor, ground floor, car park B1 floor, car park B2 floor. B1 and B2. What was that B1? And we were at G, ground floor. Hey, I'm walking outside. Okay, so here's a tree. Dry potato little rails. Larger for you. I do not know how to read. Ugh. There's my dad there. Here, recycling. Where should I throw my stick if I can? Metals. Are you sure this is metal? Glass bottles. Are you sure this is glass and it's a bottle? Here, plastics. Are you sure wood is plastic? Waste paper. I should throw in waste paper because paper is made out of wood. This game can be that. So I ain't throwing my. What's this? Ooh, a stick stand. This is a place to stay anywhere, and that's the ICC behind me. Here's a little area for you to have, and think so. Here, see, you can just sit here. There's space. You can go. Hi. Okay, so here, time I did my snap math. Here, please recycle, please recycle. I love Hong Kong, I love green. Okay, so I threw my homework here. Not really homework, but it was from P1. I did it from P3 or P2. Forgot name. Here, please recycle. 3 types of paper. This, or a box. Hold tight. Metals. Glass. Plastic bottles. Okay, here's the door made out of glass, and my dad's waiting. This door always wins. Okay, so the arch is here. And yes. So here. Press this button. And then you go up. So much dust. Okay, so now we will end the video here. Bye.